Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to add a submenu into our Wix Studio website. For example, I have this menu right here and I want to make a submenu. For example, I only want to have the home and about buttons here, and I want the services and projects to be below the about button. So what we'll do is we'll just click on manage menu, and then what we can do is we can just drag this until we see the arrow right here on the left side, and then it will automatically become a sub menu of the about button right here. But another option is you can click on these three dots right here, and then you can choose if you want to move it under services, or but it will look like this. So it will become a sub menu of the about page below the services and projects. Below it is services and projects, I mean. So once you're done, you can just close this one and then click on layout. And then you can choose right here. You can make it into a drop down. So you can choose if you want to edit the menu into a hamburger, or if you want to make it into a navigation bar, we'll just make it into a navigation bar. And then from the drop down right here, you can edit the look of your sub menu. For example, you want to choose a different alignment, you can do that as well. And then if you want to add a number of columns, example 2, then we can see our sub menu became 2 columns instead of 1. So we'll just change it into 1. And then you can change the container alignment if you want, but since it's already aligned to the right, it doesn't really move as much. And then once you're done editing your submenu, you can just click on preview, and then once we hover our mouse to the about section of the menu, we have our submenu right here at the bottom. And then that's basically it in how to add a submenu into your Wix Studio website, and I hope you learn how to do it. And thank you for watching.